really easy and fun craft. First, get your paper towel tube and tape one side of it completely, or else it's going to be a big mess when you try to play your rain stick. I'm going to use 2 pieces of duct tape for this. Next, grab some foil and just bunch it up. The idea of the foil is to slow down the grains so it sounds like rain when you tip over your tube. So I'm going to use more than 1 roll of foil like that. Next, time to put in your grains. You may want a funnel. Up to you. Once your grains are inside, test to see if you like the sound. I remember when I did this, I thought the grains fell too fast and it didn't sound like rain. I decided to start over. This time, I'm going to put some more foil in to slow down the rice and beans and corn so it'll actually sound like rain falling. I put 1 more thing of foil inside and then carefully put the grains back and boom! I like the sound. Make sure you test it before you tape it shut. Next, tape it shut. Again, make sure you get it completely covered. I had 1 more strip around the sides just to make it prettier, but you don't have to do this. Next, paint. And voila, your very own rain stick. You can stop here, or I found this really funky yarn and I think I might add it to my rain stick. And voila, now you're done. I know we don't really need to hear more rain in Portland, but it'll be nice in the summer to pretend.